Okay, ang tawag pala dun sa movement of a particle around magnetic field is called um, gyromotion. Diba? Yun ang tawag dun, yung gyromotion or cyclotron motion. Diba? Yung pala yung tawag sa pinag-aaralan natin. So, yung tawag sa radius niya is radius of curvature. But yung kanyang process, ang tawag doon, cyclotron motion or gyromotion. Yan. Yan yung concept behind CRTs o cathode ray tubes and microwave ovens. Diba? Naalala ko nga si Sir Dubaw, yung teacher, science teacher ko nung first year high school ako. Lahat ng technology may scientific o may science principle behind. Yung technology, yun lang yung applied nung technology na yun. So, shout out ngayon kay Sir Dubaw kung nasan man siya. So, yun. Di ba? Yung movement, ang application ng cyclotron motion or yung gyro motion is yung mga nabanggit ko, yung CRTs at saka yung microwave ovens. So, yun lang pa.